Hey, it's Aaron, and today we'll be going through the solution for Priceless Puzzle Series number 3, Diamond. This puzzle is a level 7 on the Puzzle Master difficulty scale. This puzzle and many others are available at puzzlemaster.ca. So the main goal of this puzzle is to split the diamond. We have two distinct halves. We can see the base kind of goes all the way through the top, and the top's kind of donut shaped. We have this arrow and we have this line. We have internally two gravity pins which don't inhibit it from opening, but they do inhibit it from rotating. So right now we're all locked up. We also have 3 washers that are floating in a race around the circumference of the base. And then our base itself actually has a groove, and it's oddly enough indicated by the back of the arrow, that the washers can fit into. When upside down, there is a dish in the top of this that is deep enough to accept the washers. So what we're going to do is we're just going to back and forth this gently to release those grab pins because they're pretty sensitive, and we've released them. You could spin move it, but it's pretty unnecessary. And we're just going to rotate it so the arrow is pointing to my left. Arrow is pointing to my left. The dish is pointing to my right. Now we will turn this upside down. And we will be doing a back motion, rotate, back motion, rotate. Am I doing that right? This is the post, so yes, we'd need to, so this should be open, and it is. So we got our 2 grab pins. We have our washers, and as we put it right side up, we can feed them all out. So we can see here, if I put one washer in, that you can still see it, it's just on the base is flat, but if I turn it upside down, it drops into a reservoir. So we'll reload all our washers up. We can see our post and we can see the inside track where we're going to dump the washers back into. And we might as well line up the 2 posts because they'll complicate things. Put it back together, flip it right side up, and then we'll do the reverse motion of what we did, where we're now feeding the washers back into the main puzzle. And then we can just turn it to point the arrow at the line, shake it back and forth a little, and that should shake it back and forth a little, and that should engage the gravity pins. Why is that not engaging the gravity pins? There we go. They are now engaged. Well, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, we have plenty more like it on our YouTube channel. Haven't had enough? Join our community on Facebook or Instagram. Want more puzzles? We have a massive catalog of puzzles at puzzlemaster.ca.